This is just going to be a quick video to show this seal here. So if you've got a V10 TDI, it might also be the same on other engines, but the oil filler has this seal around it. So obviously there's a seal on the actual cap itself, but then this rubber here, get my camera to focus, there's also a separate seal. It's gone hard, so it's a bit hard to get off. I'll have to get it off camera, but as you can see, it's all gone brittle and started breaking. Got a new one from TPS. It was £6 something, not a great deal of money, and that's the part number if you need it. 074115315. Call it a washer, but it's a seal for there. And you can see on the inside it's got like a lip. So that one's going to be quite hard to get off without using a pry bar, but I'll show you once the new one's on. And there we have the new one on. It went on quite easily. I just started it at the back and then turned it and it worked its way on. This is the old one. As soon as I put the pry bar on it there, it just basically ripped it in half because it's gone hard like plastic. There is a part number on the inside there as well. So if yours is in this state, you will be able to see the old part number. Anyway, thanks for watching.